All right. So my Icehopper, I got tired in trying to get it into the air. So I built some wheels to it. It looks like this. I built them in 1.5 hours or 1 hour, and I have no idea will it go straight. It has no steering, so will it go straight, and if it goes straight, will it take off? Let's go far away. Let's see if you have the wind in the... So, at least it looks nice on the grass, but what I looked at on YouTube, these things normally don't fly the first time. Did I say normally? Today it surprised me. I flew with the Volantex also, did a mission with my new settings of this and that. I can tell you a little bit the detail. It's better, but I have some calibration issues because the return to home does not work at all. But I can fly a mission. And then my antenna tracker, which has 3 helical antennas now, does not still work with my latest settings. Oh, there is a falcon or eagle up there above far above me. There are 2. But this wing flies great. When I get it into the air, it flies great.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Well, my landing wasn't that great. And I haven't really fixed the weight, optimized the weight yet, but I will. Good. This just has to be straightened up.